This is a 1-scoop order for Fran from her Lolo Jerry. She loves Kuromi and my melody. 1 file folder. Plus 1 more. Two notebooks. Plus 1 more. 1 highlighter. Let's add 1 more. Two mini notebooks. Plus 1 more. 1 clear pouch. Look how perfect this one is. It has both My Melody and Kuromi. Plus 1 more. One wallet. One plush pencil bag. One scenery sticker. We can thank Ruby for these 2 extras. One sticker. You already know how I feel about stickers. Plus 2 more. One pen. Plus 2 more. One memo pad. Let's do an extra. 2 plush charms. One beaded charm. Look how cute they are together though. One bricks. That's everything for Fran from her Lolo Jerry. I hope you love everything I chose. Thank you so much.